Welcome to the Vermont Concerned Citizen channel. We are a patriotic American community, and please consider supporting us on Patreon. Thank you.
Oh, to the borders, Vermonters, come down with your breeches of deerskin and jackets of brown, with your red woolen caps and your moccasins. Come to the gathering summons of trumpet and drum. Come down with your rifle.
Hey, I want a helmet light. I don't know why. I just want to try it out, see if it really works. So I had a piece of that rail section. It came with a bump helmet I bought. When I bought this P10, I don't know why I didn't really need it. I figured to have one for backup. Then I got the idea, hey, let's mount it to the IBH helmet. Let me put the helmet on and show you how bright it is. Or how it looks, what to expect. Well, look at the camera. It shines up pretty much at the camera. I'm looking across from it. Might be a little bit high. But not bad, man. It would definitely be a hands-free way. Keep your head down on your sight. Wouldn't be bad. I think this is doable. That and a weapon light? I don't think anybody intruder breaks in your house, they know what the hell would coming at them. I think it's so lightweight, unintrusive, that you really don't feel the bulk of it leaning from one side to the other. So, I mean, like I said, it might be aimed a little bit high, but put your head down, put your arms out into your sight of your pistol or rifle, you're probably, it's dead on for what it felt like. So anyways, cheap down and dirty way, I guess, to do that. Okay, slid that rail mount more towards the front. That brought the light, angled it slightly forward. Let me pause this and I'll show you what it looks like shining down the hall. It's more centered to the middle of the helmet. Where I look, it's right on the center now, instead of off slightly to the side. There you go. See my cat down the hall, El Capitan, sitting on a speaker. Got the light pointed straight down the hall. It's about as straight on him if I lower it down to his level. Go up. Can't get much better than that. You are your first and last line of defense. Keep that powder dry. Be safe. Stay armed. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification for future videos.